Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin. Today we have quite a large watch unboxing here. This watch is in on loan from Saltzman's Watches. It is a Hamilton Intra-Matic watch I wanted to check out for a long time, so I really appreciate them sending this over. And they actually have a discount code that they are sharing, and it's for 25% off any in-stock Hamilton watch from their website, and that code is WTW Hamilton 25, and I'll leave that in the video description as well. So yeah, as I mentioned, this box is really large, so unfortunately can't really show it on screen here, but hopefully you can hear them cutting it open as we speak, or as I speak I should say. Alright, got the box open here, and let's get it out of here. Return label. Alright, here we go. So I did a quick search on their website. It looks like they have 39 Hamiltons in stock, I believe. So yeah, let's check this out. See, I don't know if yeah, I do have a couple mechanical chronographs, but nothing as nice as this. Set this, we'll set it over here, I guess. Nice wood box here, I think. Yeah, I don't know if that's wood or cardboard. It's probably cardboard. Yeah, that is a cool looking watch. Very nice. I really appreciate them sending it over. I don't know what that is. Some kind of little Hamilton mini bag here. I don't know what that's about. You're not letting me zoom in. Sorry about that. So here is the model number H38416711. It's like a sapphire crystal, 40 millimeter diameter. And oh, okay. Oh, I thought there was something in here. Looks like MSRP $21.95. I'll put this back in here later, I guess. It must have slipped out while I was flipping it around. Yeah, such a cool looking watch. It reminds me of like a chronograph from the 60s or 70s. Looks like nothing's moving right now, so let's take it off the pillow and get it wound up. Okay, so it does not have a display case back. I always like looking at mechanical movements, whether or not they're decorated. We'll take a quick look at the case back. I feel the rotor moving around in there. It's Swiss made. I'm not sure what that number is about. Water resistant. 10 bars. That's 100 meter. That's impressive. 145 psi. No, I've not seen that listed on a watch case back before. So that's interesting. Usually I'll see bar, ATM, or the depth in meters. And then there's the model number again. So a nice little screwed down case back here. Looks fairly thick, as you would expect from a chronograph, a mechanical chronograph at least. So it is a screw down crown. So let's unscrew that. Okay, nice pop there. Now we're hand winding it. So over here at the 9 o'clock subdial, you see the second hand is moving, so that would be your running second hand. And then this, of course, is your chronograph second hand. And that would be your timer for the chronograph, so it goes up to 30 minutes. So it's more of a cream colored dial, and then you can see the white squares just to the outside of the indices here. So I imagine those would be lume pips. Nice polished indices too. I like the way that the light hits those indices. You can see it by eye. There we go. Now you can see it on camera. So I think I wound it up enough. Let's move the handset. Yeah, I didn't realize the dial was a cream color. I thought everything was white, but it's more of an off-white. And then the date wheel is white. This should move the date. Okay, not sure why the date isn't moving. So this is time set. This should be date, but it's winding. Oh, that's interesting. I don't know why the date isn't changing. Anyway, let's start the chronograph, and I'll have to play around with that date later. Push it all the way in, screw it down. Then we'll activate the chronograph. There we go. Alright, let's start the chronograph. Nice firm click there to get it going. Same thing for stopping it. Let it go to about 30 and then we'll stop it and reset it, let it snap back. I like that Hamilton logo too. And then you see Swiss made down there above 6 o'clock. Okay, let's stop it and then we'll reset. It should snap right back. Just like that. So it took the short way back. I don't know if we go all the way around or which way it would go. See, very cool. Oh, I wonder if that is for the date set. What can I use? To find something to poke in there without. I think a pencil lid should be okay. What do I do with my pencil? Alright, let's just try this with the pencil lead. I don't think it's going to hurt anything. Graphite on stainless steel. So let's see if that sets the date. Okay, there we go. That's how you set the date. Okay, well, solve that mystery, I guess. Okay, let me get this on wrist. This will run the chronograph. That's the point of having a chronograph, right? To run it. Watch that center hand sweep. So I have a 6.5 inch wrist. This is a smaller diameter watch, especially considering it's a chronograph, and looks like there's still 2 more hold positions left, and it's fairly snug on my wrist. Set the box off to the side for when we zoom out for the well, farther away wrist shot here. Lugs are a bit long on this, but I still think it looks pretty good on my wrist. Let me know what you guys think. Then we'll zoom out here and close out the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Like the video and leave a comment below. It helps me out a lot, and I appreciate hearing your feedback. Yeah, this is a cool looking watch. High polish. And again, really appreciate Saltzman sending this over for us to check out. To spend a little bit of time with it here. As always, thank you for taking the time, and thank you for watching.